Well, we got an Emory University professor to break down this decision and exactly what it means. But as we did, members of the LGBTQ community are reacting, saying this is a blow to gay rights.
It's hard. This is difficult as a gay man.
Tucker resident Robin Byro is among the many in the LGBTQ community reacting to the Supreme Court's ruling in favor of a Denver web designer who declined service to a gay couple wanting a wedding website, citing her Christian beliefs.
One of the difficult things about being openly gay is that every ruling that comes out has the potential to affect your life, your day-to-day life, your ability to do business.
Byro worries the decision opens the possibility of being discriminated against based on his sexual orientation. But Emory University professor Alexander Volek says the ruling is all about free speech.
In America, you have the right not to say things that you don't want to say, and that is a fundamental free speech First Amendment issue.
And Volek adds he's not surprised by the court's ruling, adding it's consistent with the current free speech law.
One constant in our free speech jurisprudence is you can't be forced to say things that you disagree with. It's legal to be racist, it's legal to be anti-gay, it's legal to say all those things. And if the government said, we want you to make a movie in favor of gay marriage, and if a person is against gay marriage, they have a First Amendment right to say, no, you can't force me to say that.
And with the Supreme Court being the final stop for the law's interpretation, many like Byro worry about the potential fallout.
Of course, the courts will tell us that this decision only applies to this one business. So now that lends the slippery slope of who all calls themselves an artist now. Is the man who cuts your yard now a lawn mowing artist? Is the person who cuts your hair now a hair cutting artist? Is the person who changes your oil an artist?
Now, since the Supreme Court is the final stop, the only way to reverse this decision is for the Supreme Court itself to change it. And with its current makeup, that is very unlikely. Bobeth Yates, 11 Alive News.